Today I will show how to buy shares of Realty Income Corp in a clear, step-by-step way. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust listed on NASDAQ under the ticker O, and this video is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the flow. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker O to locate the company listing. Make sure you select Realty Income Corp from the search results to reach the correct asset page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review the recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker O match before proceeding to trade. Click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading opens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view for monitoring. A link to the example platform is available in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.